So this is different camera, guys. If you wonder why it's so shaky, that's what it's there for. So it kind of focuses and kind of not. But yeah, that's what we did today, and it's full A4 A3 design. Maybe you could turn a little bit there. So that's inner section, and then you got two screws and rope, and then it goes all the way. If you turn there, yeah, beautiful. And then this is the piece we did previously. I don't know why I didn't film that day. Maybe I had also no camera with me. I don't know, but there was a reason. But sadly, we didn't film that day. I don't know. This camera is bouncing around too much. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, we did that, and then I just blended that smoke into his rope, and then yeah, that's for the blending stuff. So what did I use? Let's see if I can get closer. I outlined these. I need something in my hands so I can show. It kind of blurs my fingers. Can't show anything. It blurs it. Scissors. Even blurs the scissors. It's a pretty good camera actually. So the bigger lines there, so wherever the black is, I outline with 11 because it's easier to shade in where you have thicker walls. These small areas shade in with the mag. Mostly all the skull I outline with 11 or 14 liner. I can't remember which one. I think it was 11, maybe. I don't know. One of them. Because it needs some weight, it needs some boldness, because we also did exactly that. And then we're mixing kind of the Japanese style and realism into one. So all this I'll shade more realistic than it is. I'm going to push out more. And then these nice chunky black sections just made the white. And then if the white wouldn't be white, if the black wouldn't be there. And then he said he was dying and suffering on a knee, which is expected. Ink wise, most of the black I did with dynamic triple black. Shading I did with allegory. I just put allegory 4, which is the darkest, so I can shade like these sections, for example, which is dark. And then I put allegory 1 of the lightest tone, so I can do the lights, because I knew today we need to do all the heavy chunk shading rather than polishing some smaller things. That's future. That's what we're gonna do. Last time I did exactly the same. I did all the chunky shading, the big areas, the darker sections, and then the smooth blends. We're gonna do that in the future. When it comes to outlining the smokes, I did outline them with a thinner line in the sections where they were going over an object or subject. But then the moment they went into the blacks, I outlined with 11 because I need thicker walls. Same like if you're on school account, you know exactly why we did that, because I do exactly the same on the fake skin. What else do I need to say? Shading wise, big needle wise, I use 23 mag. For small ones I use 9 or 15. I think I had 15 somewhere, but mostly 23. So like this area here, 23, and there and there and there. Just bigger, wider open. When it comes to like blacking out, the small tiny areas I did with the liner itself, and then the moment it got a little bit bigger I use 9, and when it gets proper big I use 23 or 15, which helped. Maybe if you turn a little bit that one. And then here I did a little bit more shading, just because it was just nice pose and nice area, and I had some shadows, and I was like, you know what, let's make our eyes happy, and then a little bit more shading in realism because we can. That was it. That was the whole point. And then I did the black there because I needed the black to push the skull out to make it more real. And then when we get to shade more that section there in the future, that's also going to bring the skull out more. So far we've not really planned anything else for anything anywhere else, so yeah, that's where we are. What else I need to say? I think that's about it. Voltage wise it's pretty much the same, 8.0 as always, and I use Stigma Force, which has 4.5mm stroke, so that's kind of like the basic average stroke. And that's where we are. This is all done today. One session, one take, 8 hours from 10 till 6 now, just over 6. And then that was exactly the same last time. One session, we stenciled all and lined it all, and I got the shading as far as I could that day as well. So basically what we're looking at is only 2-day sessions, which is pretty ridiculous. It's actually quite a lot done in 2 days. But yeah, strong man. Luckily we have him who can take the pain like a proper boss. So yeah, that's where we are, and then in the future you'll see more.